Welcome to Universal Language Service. Today we are going to show you how to use our video remote interpreting app, FaceTok. To open the application, locate the FaceTok icon. You can see it here at the top left of the screen on our iPad. The first time you open the application, you will be asked to log in. This is where you will input your unique login credentials. Don't forget to toggle on the Keep Me Logged In feature to ensure in the future that you bypass the screen and are taken directly to the application. This is our main menu. Each of the buttons is live and will take you directly to a video interpreter in that language. To access an interpreter, simply tap a video icon button once. On average, connection takes less than 30 seconds.
Hello, thank you for using FaceTok.
Once you are in the call, you will notice that the self-view window is located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You will want to position the iPad in front of your patient so that they are visible in the self-view window. You can easily switch off the self-view camera by clicking the Hide Video button next to the End Call button. The interpreter also has this option available. The interpreter's name and ID number will always be in the top left-hand corner of the screen. If need be, the interpreter can also type out a message in English and the native alphabet. Once the interpretation session is finished, say goodbye to your interpreter and tap the End Call button at the bottom of the screen. To access an audio interpreter, just tap any phone icon button to make the call. On average, connection takes less than 30 seconds. An additional feature that we'd like to mention is our filter option. Once you hit the filter button in the top right-hand corner, you get the choice to filter between video and audio channels and gender modality for gender-specific calls. Another feature that we have implemented are favorite languages. If you click on the menu icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen, you will see where the Preferences tab is located. In the Preferences menu, you have the option to highlight your favorite or most commonly used languages for interpretation. When you return to the main menu, you will see your favorite language bookmarked at the top of the list. And that is how you use our video remote interpreting application, FaceTok. For more information or further assistance, please contact your account manager or email us directly at accounts@ulsonline.net.